Bella. 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 Bella is known for not wanting to do what you would like her to do. So she wants one of my treats. She's looking at it. And I'm going to ask her to do a trick. And now she's going to have a sneezing attack or coughing or asthma. She's a faking hypochondriac. Let's watch. Observe. Bella, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Sit. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Roly poly. Give me paw. Sit. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Bella, give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. So she lays down. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me, sit. Give mommy paw. Give mommy the paw for this delicious treat. Give me paw. Come on. Roly poly. Oh, okay, you get the delicious treat.